Top 6 Reasons for Cracks in Marble Tiles. Dear friends, cracks in marble tiles can be due to a number of reasons. By identifying how cracks hit the flooring, you can avoid such instances in the future. Or, this will also be useful when you need to repair a cracked tile. A heavy physical impact. Sometimes, you can see a crack extending across only one or two tiles. This most likely happens when a heavy object hits the tile. Doorways are another commonplace for such cracks. A door bang may drop a heavy object kept nearby, resulting in cracks. Such cracks are usually found near the edge of the floor. Inappropriate marble tiles choice. Choosing the wrong marble tiles may also lead to floor damage. Many homeowners purchase marble based only on color and pattern. However, it is important to check if the chosen marble floor tiles are suitable for specific weather conditions. They should be resistant to weather-related wear and tear. Moreover, the processing technology of particular colors may not be advanced. And this could also lead to cracks. Flooring in a humid environment. The primary component of most marble flooring is calcium carbonate, which becomes weak in a wet environment. In case the surrounding is full of water, the loose part of the stone structure may break open, leaving splits on the floor. No proper maintenance. Marble tile floorings are protected with sealants that resist water. However, if a crack occurs over time, it should be repaired immediately. Because, if the tiles are not repaired on time, the foundation of the stone may be destroyed gradually. Cracks underneath concrete substrate. If a concrete substrate is used below the marble tile flooring, it has its own challenges. Over several years, the substrate may crack. This movement transmits to the tiles above in the form of reflective cracks. Cracks in this matter are mostly long, continuous, and extending across many tiles. The only cure is to remove the tile, install a crack isolation membrane, and reinstall the tiles. Improper installation. The newly built concrete layer is full of water. As the concrete cures, the water evaporates, and the concrete contracts. This helps the particles and aggregate inside concrete bind tightly together. If the marble tiles are laid before the concrete cures, it may result in stressing the tiles. What if you see hairline cracks in your new marble flooring? There is a possibility that concrete did not cure when marble floor tiles were laid. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Laud's channel, How to Make My House.